Okay, so let's apply the laws of exponents to simplify this question. So the first term I have minus 7 to the power 0. Remember that any number to the power 0, it's 1. So I'm just gonna substitute this as 1, then plus. I need to write 8 as a prime of its base. So now I need to write, say, on your calculator, just say 8 equals sign, then shift fact. You'll find that 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3. So I'm going to change the 8 and say this 8, I can write it as 2 to the power 3. So this will be 2 to the power 3, which is multiplied by 2 over 3. So we're just trying to revise the laws of exponent. If I have a to the n, this is to the power m, I multiply the exponent. What is that equals to? This is a times m. So we need to multiply the exponents and say this is 2 to the power 3 multiplied by 2 over 3. So when we multiply the exponents, the 3 cancels and you are left with 2 to the power 2, which is just 4. So this is 1 plus 4, the final answer is 5. And this is how we apply the laws of exponents. Okay, let's look at this expression. Let's work on this one. So now on this one, they want us to simplify. So when you simplify, try to analyze the question. Look at this, look at that. So we can see that the exponents are the same. So we have same exponents. So when we have same exponents, what should come in your mind is taking out that 5 to the x as a common factor. So let's reverse the laws of exponent. Remember, if I have a to the power n multiplied by a to the power m, the base are the same, we add the exponent. So I'm going to reverse the exponent and write the 5 to the power x as 5 to the power x times 5 squared, because when I add the exponent, I'll get this as 5 to the power x plus 2. So I'm going to apply the same law this side. This will be 5 to the x times 5 to the power minus 1. Everything divided by 2 times 5 to the power x. So the top part, we can take that 5x to the power x out as a common factor. And where there's 5 to the power x, you substitute that with 1. So this will be 5 squared minus 5 to the power minus 1. Everything is divided by 2 times 5 to the power x. So look at this, these two guys cancels. The top part, if I move this equation, the top part is just 10 minus, I need to write this as 1 over 5, everything divided by 2. Right. So when I say this will be, I'm sorry, this is not 5, it's not 10. 5 squared is 25. Now, so let's fix that problem. 5 squared is 25. So this will be 25 minus that. So now when I have it like this, you can work out the top part and say 25 times 5 is 125 minus 1, that will be 124 over 5, and then everything divided by 2. So I'll have 124 divided by 5, and this is multiplied by 2. Remember, if we do the reciprocal, this is 1 over 2. You just have to punch this on the calculator and to find your final answer as 62 over 5. Why is it 62? Because we're going to say 124 divide by 2 gives us 62. Then we have this as 62 over 5. And that's it. When you have it like this will be your final answer. Just learn how to apply the laws of exponents. So someone might have a question, how we got the 124 on top here. How we got that is just what I did. I said 25 is 25 minus 1 over 5. I need the denominators to be the same. So I'm going to multiply this by 5 over 5 so that I can have one denominator. The top part is 5 times 25, it's 125. Then we subtract 1, which will give us 124 over 5. That's how we got the 124 over 5. And that's it for this lesson.